Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here on Ko Mak, and I'm sitting here on Ao Sawan Yai Beach, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a boat over to another island. We're going to go over to right here to Koh Kham, and we're going to see what it is. It's 350 baht each to get over there to that island, and the little boat ride takes about 10 minutes, and we're going to go and grab this boat and go over there. So we're at the Palm Kadi Resort, and this is the boat that will take us. And the first boat goes over there like 8 o'clock in the morning, and then you have to come back at 5 p.m. That's the last boat coming back to Ko Mak. So you can see Ao Sawan. Now I've been over to this beach before, and it's quite nice, but I haven't been over to Koh Kham. So let's get on this, and right there's where you buy your tickets, right from the restaurant. And this is a beautiful, beautiful beach. Here we go. Blast some of the sand here. So it's low tide, so the beach is quite shallow. Well, you should get blasted by some sea spray going across here. But you can see that beautiful white sand beach over there. And here we are at the island. So we'll beach and then jump out and enjoy this. So this is what we see. So they got a bunch of the rocks, some people doing some snorkeling, and over there is that abandoned resort, I believe. The Ya or something like that was the name of it. Kind of some cool little rock formations here. And then they've came in and they've made a wall out of it. Wow, this is the perfect white sand beach. I could see this beach from across from Ko Mak, and the white sand is just kind of glowing over here. So part of the entrance fee, it's 350 baht, and you get a drink. So we'll go up here, get a water or Coke or whatever they give us. And then there's the pier. So this is what they give you. They give you the 200 baht maintenance fee. So you can use the toilet and get a soft drink or water from right here. So you get your drinks here. They got light snacks. They got some noodles for 50 baht and some potato chips for like 20. So this is the abandoned resort. And they just stopped building it in like 2014. You can see they got the windows in. They have all the concrete poured. It's hard to say what happened, why they ran out of money. Check out this amazing white sand. Holy cow, this is so beautiful. So we pay the maintenance fee, so they actually do pick up all the trash and stuff here. But how amazing is this? And you can see over there, that is Ao Sawan Yai. That's the beautiful beach on Ko Mak. It looks nice from here, but it doesn't hold a candle to this beach here. This is a lot smaller, but it is just brilliant. Holy cow, this is nice. So it's 350 baht to come over here. If you come by the canoe, you can paddle from over there. It's 150 baht cheaper, but you still have to pay the 200 baht service fee to come onto the island. The boat was fast and easy to get over here. It's worth 150 baht round trip. But if you had a canoe and you're just nothing else to do, an easy paddle across the channel to get over here. And the water is just crystal clear. You can see the coral out there and some of the stones, and it is like a bathtub. These would have had spectacular views. 2-story, and that one's a 3-story tower. Speedboat over there. And then the end of the island here. So this little wall is the end of the white sand beach. And the main channel is pretty choppy. It's windy out here today. Yeah, so how beautiful is this little beach right here? This is absolute paradise. It's so perfect under the feet. And the little pier that would have serviced this hotel. And there's some sea urchins. There's quite a few of them right here amongst these rocks. You can see them out here also. You can't go any further out. They stopped building the pier out there. There's Ko Mak. You can see that sandbar jutting out. And over this way, the white sand. Oh, it's quite beautiful. So we have an Instagram photo shoot going on over there. She was putting on her makeup and getting everything ready. Then he had to put on his makeup. And check out this beach. These rocks are fantastic. They're like otherworldly. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you're not very far at all from that part of Ko Mak. That's another little island that's just off the other part of the island. And then over there, that's where the workers are staying, it looks like. Check out that sea urchin right there. You see little crabs and everything else scurrying around these big rocks. And just crystal clear water. Let's walk out onto this little sandbar a bit. Yeah, that sandbar goes out quite a little ways here. This kind of reminds me of the little island Koh Yang, I think it was, over by Koh Tao. It's that little island that has two rocky outcroppings and has the little sandbar right between, and you could walk across on that sandbar. This is real similar. And there goes the big boat. Those guys in the canoe are going to get blasted by the wake. You can see the reef here. Now people come over here to snorkel, and I'm not sure if they snorkel like right in here or if they snorkel in that little bay over there. But you can see that from the color of the sand that it's definitely from the coral, that white sand. And online they say that there's like schools of fish over here that you can swim amongst. Yeah, I think we've seen enough of this little sandbar here. That's pretty much the whole little island that we can explore. The rest of it is just the rocks and we can't go back in there. You can see over there, that's all that white sand. Yeah, this is really, really fantastic. This is cool. So you got waves coming from both sides. That's going to finish up our video over here at Koh Kham. This is an absolutely fantastic little island. It's easy to get over here. It's 350 baht. It's like 10 bucks. It's a little expensive, but this is kind of a unique place. I haven't seen sand like this, the fantastic white, just powdery smooth in a little while. It was a pleasant surprise. It's better than the beaches on Koh Mak as far as the sand quality. The beach is small, but it's kind of cool to see that old abandoned hotel that they never finished. I would come over here again. And if you've been over here, let me know in a comment. I would like to know kind of what your thoughts are. If you snorkeled, let me know. Tell me how that was. We're not going to snorkel. The wind's blowing a little too much and just not interested today. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you liked the video, smash the like button. And until next time, from over here at Koh Kham, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.